Hello everyone. My son, who is in the 9th grade, wasn't doing great in his studies and I used to worry a lot about. But thanks to the eKal mentorship program, things have turned around dramatically.
The counselor at eKal Academy helped him figure out his interest and identify areas where he could excel. They conducted various assignments to uncover his skill and hobbies, and based on that, they presented him with several career choices. The mentorship provided him with a clear direction, and now he's making better decisions and is more focused on his study. The program did not just help him academically but also boosted his confidence and motivation. The personalized roadmap they suggest is incredibly detailed and tailored to his strengths and interests. We are optimistic and excited about following this plan through high school and beyond.
We had on my son's academic journey and future career prospects. For those interested, here is a link to the demo.